MergeUp just got an upgrade. Now your team can leverage the full power of Excel with MergeUp's Excel templates. In this demo, we'll walk through how you can automatically generate a project report from Salesforce using MergeUp's dynamic templates and built-in JavaScript logic. First, let's hop into Salesforce, where MergeUp's admin tool lives. From here, create a new template. We'll select standard for this one, even though the AI wizard is amazing. We'll give the template a name and select the template and merge types as Excel. Next, we'll pick our group, which defines where Salesforce will pull information from. We already have a project group, so let's select that. As you can see, this group already includes the parent project and all of its related tasks. And if you need to add more fields, you can easily add them using this Add Field button. And then notice this, the group by month expression. It automatically groups all of our task start dates by month, making it easy to see which tasks are due and when. Thanks to MergeUp reusable groups, our Salesforce setup is already done and ready to connect to Excel. Now let's move over to our Excel document. This is where the fun begins. We'll take the Salesforce data and convert it into merge tags. By copying and pasting from the MergeUp admin tool, we can replace placeholder data with merge tags that automatically pull Salesforce values. Next, we'll insert our for loop, also copied from the admin tool. This loop repeats the task rows for each related record, so we can display all the tasks linked to the project. Before displaying tasks, we'll use our group by month expression to organize them by start month. Inside that expression, we create an object called tasks by month. This object groups tasks into months and year for easy visibility of what needs to be done. Then we can loop over these months using a for loop because it's just a list. Each month becomes a header. Let's make it bold in our Excel sheet for clarity. And then under each month, we'll nest another loop to display the tasks themselves. Inside our nested loop, we'll display the task details, the name, the priority, the start and end date, and finally the hours. And that's it. With just a few merge tags and loops, we've created a fully dynamic project report that we can regenerate anytime for any project. All Excel features are honored when merging. For example, our conditional formatting in this column will appear in our final document. Now we'll upload our Excel file back into Salesforce as a new template version. It's already activated, but we can activate any versions as needed. And now we're ready to test. When we open a project record, we'll see the MergeUp component is ready to go. And at the click of a button, users can instantly generate their project report, grouped by month and formatted beautifully inside of Excel. Excel gives you the flexibility for formulas, tables, and advanced logic. And MergeUp brings it all together with automation, merge fields, and JavaScript power. MergeUp. Make documents easy.